Transform your Google site from standard to stunning by seamlessly integrating custom HTML, making your website truly your own. First things first, open up your Google site in editing mode. You'll want to be on the specific page where you plan to add your custom content. In the right-hand sidebar, look for the Embed button, click on that, and then select the Embed code tab at the top of the pop-up window. Now, this is where the magic happens. Paste your HTML code directly into the designated field. This could be code for anything from a custom button to a unique layout element or even a small interactive widget. After pasting, you'll see a preview of your embedded content. If it looks good, click the Insert button. Your HTML content will now appear on your page. You can treat it like any other element. Drag it, resize it, and position it exactly where you want it for the best visual flow. Once you're happy with how it looks and functions, don't forget to hit that Publish button to make your amazing new element live for your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully incorporated custom HTML to elevate your Google site's design, add dynamic features, and create a more engaging experience for everyone who visits.